You will need to remove the tail lights, rear wing, bumper cover, and airbox to access the throttle body indicated by the red arrow. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. Unclip the wiring harness from the body by pulling it out from the holder. Squeeze in both tabs on the connector and pull the connector from the body. Use an E10 socket with an extension and remove the 4 screws, red arrows. Use care as you remove the last screw, as the throttle body will now be free and you do not want to drop it. Remove the throttle body. If you are removing it to service other areas, each time you remove it, you must replace the gasket, red arrow. Failure to do so can cause a vacuum leak and lead to all kinds of other problems. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the E10 screws to 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pounds, and the collar nut to airbox to 6 Newton meters or 4.5 foot-pounds. If you are installing a new throttle body, you will need to code it to your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.